Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick video. Somebody was asking me in Windows 10 where sound devices are and how to see devices that sometimes you don't see. So of course there are two places, and this makes it a little more complicated. Two control panels and settings. This is why one has to go at some point. So the first place you should go is right click on your volume control, and here you can go into the sound settings. In the sound settings, you will see that there's the output and input sound. What's output and input? Output is, for example, your speakers, your computer speakers, or it could be your monitor. In this case, it's the monitor. And the input, whatever it is that you have, it could be a microphone or other device. Now, when you go here, you have something called Manage Sound Devices. Managing sound devices will give you what's the input and the output. But sometimes you might want to tweak something that is either not connected or has been connected in the past, but it's not now. It shows up, but it doesn't show up in the settings app, and that's where sometimes maybe you don't understand why you don't see it. This is where you need to go into the control panel. If you go into the control panel, there you will see that the control panel has a sound tab. And notice that the input or output, which is playback and recording, just to make things even more complicated, is here. And look at that. I got a headset and a headphone, which are grayed out because they're not paired right now. But at least they are visible here. And this is where you can even change some properties or do things. So it's interesting to see that even though they are showing up in the control panel sound device, they're not showing up in the settings. So this is something to look at. So remember, there are two places to see. There's the right click on the sound icon in the sound settings and settings. You have, of course, the managing of sound devices where you could see some of them. And sometimes that's enough and it's okay. But sometimes you'll need to go into the control panel, into the sound tab, because you might see things there that are not showing up in the settings app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.